I keep talking about using these. They're cheap. They're like 72 cents plus tax at Home Depot for your body saver. If you look at that, what I did was I mounted one with the metal side down and the rubber side up, and you screw it in there. What you want to do is make sure you replace the screw that comes with the truck with these. They're longer. The stock ones are 3x10s. These are 3x15. So use those. If you want, you can put them on this direction. I'm not too much of a fan of that, but it can be done, so it's really up to you. I like the way this sits because there's kind of like a indentation where it slopes down into the body and this slides in there, but it's really your call. And then the rest of these ones are pretty flat, so you can just do them however you want. These ones are flat too in the back, same there. So basically just need to buy 2 packs of these, you're covered. And I think these just come in packs of 6, so you have to buy 2 packs of these, but basically $5 shipping and trip to Home Depot, you can take care of it. The other thing that I had concerns about were the Traxxas LiPo batteries. This right here is like a new version. The first time I've seen one of these, so it reminds me of the previous version where they were flat like this. If you look from the side, this is like really flat. Now, my concern was I have these LiPos. I was running, these are the full-size 2872Xs in my Aton. First time running it, check out how puffed it is. See if you can hear that. It's puffed. You can watch my finger move. It's just puffed the first time. I called Traxxas and had them replace one, so this one had to be fully discharged. But my concern was when I bought these with the E-Revo, and I saw one guy on there, I think his name FN Fancy or something like that. His were all beat up, but they were smashed on these ends. Come to find out, it was a chassis issue that was broken, but I didn't want to have the issue with the E-Revo because there is no space for any given play with these batteries puffing. So hopefully these will stay like this. I'm going to be running 6S all the time with the out-of-the-box gearing. I'm not going to do anything crazy, at least for now.